Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, September 28 to 30, 2020. And this update is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have a newly formed tropical storm right here along the western Pacific to the southeast of Japan. This is Tropical Storm Kujira with winds of 45 knots, around 85 kph, and it's now moving towards the north in the direction of the sea east of Japan. So this is not a threat to any landmass across Asia Pacific. Meanwhile, we have another LPA here, 98W, which is along the periphery of Kujira and is likely to develop as well into a tropical cyclone, as it expected to be following the track of Kujira. It's under a Fujiwara effect, wherein the powerful one dictates the movement of the much weaker system. So 98W is, although somewhat stationary, in the next few hours it will just follow, or it will be just pulled by Kujira towards the north. So this is not a threat to our country as well. And here in the Philippine Islands, we have a surface trough here, and it's affecting the Batanes and Mabuhay group of islands, while the areas of Palawan, western sections of Sulu archipelago, as well as the Kalayaan island group, will be under the influence of the Southwest Monsoon Habagat, which is currently weakening as of this time, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair except for some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Elsewhere, we have a couple of surface troughs here across the western Pacific, south and southeast of Guam, and we have a weak high pressure area, quasi-stationary, wherein its ridge is continues to affect the Bicol region, bringing some hot weather, clear skies with some afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms, and also along the areas of eastern Visayas. So far, this is the latest GovSat. Here's the fast animation. You can clearly see here tropical storm Kujira starting to accelerate towards the northeast, and the LPA following the track, or being dictated by the departing tropical storm, and some thunderstorm activity can be observed across the Philippine Islands. And here's the latest from the various Asian agencies, and you can see here that tropical storm Kujira is expected to just over the open seas of the western Pacific, far away from any landmass. Now let's look at our windy.com satellite animation. This is the zoom in type from UMETSAT. As you can see, some thunderstorm activity can be observed across most parts of Luzon, particularly across central Luzon, and also here across the Zamboanga Peninsula as of this time. Bicol region and eastern Visayas will be under the influence of the ridge of high pressure located here. That's why we are experiencing some hot and warm weather. Although there are thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, that's normal in this tropical country. And as we look at our 3-day rain and the wind forecast, actually it's only 2 days, since we'll be returning on Wednesday. Tomorrow afternoon, we could still see some moderate to higher chance of thunderstorms across northern Luzon, lower chances across the Bicol region, moderate chance across Visayas, and moderate to high chance across Mindanao for tomorrow afternoon. And on Wednesday afternoon, still some afternoon or evening rain showers will be expected across Luzon, particularly over Isabela, Quirino, and Nueva Vizcaya, including Aurora province. This is under moderate chances. Also across Metro Manila, low chances over the Bicol region, moderate chances over Palawan, moderate chances over Visayas, and moderate chances as well across Mindanao. And so far, that's the latest. So there you go. That's the latest from our weather update for this Monday through Wednesday, September 28 to 30. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our weather channel.